This is the Oppo A17 I have in front of me, and today we would like to demonstrate and share the top 5 pro tips and features for this device. So the first feature, or in the first part of this video, I would like to demonstrate that you can set up the fingerprint recognition screen lock method on this device. So you gotta open settings, then enter the password and security category, onwards go for the fingerprint section, tap on the continue option, choose what backup screen lock method you would like to choose to go with, the fingerprint, so numeric pattern or alphanumeric. Then I'll choose pattern, draw the pattern that I would like to use, then confirm it by redrawing it. And now we'll start the enrollment process. So the fingerprint scanner is located, or sensor is located at the side power key. So in order to get the finger read and edit, just gradually lay and lift your finger onto the sensor, like so. Make sure to follow the visual clues you have, so you'll know which part of the finger you need to scan at any given moment. Already, so the fingerprint has been successfully added. Now let me test and try it out and see how well it works and whether it works to begin with. It works just fine, if you'd ask me. It's not able to recognize other fingerprints, so works the way it was designed to, I guess. Next feature is located at the display category, so let me just go ahead and quickly enter it. Display and brightness to be exact. It is called the eye comfort mode, and it works the way that it reduces the amount of blue lights for you, so your eye fatigue level also gets reduced. Once enabled, you can change the effect intensity, so the color temperature from cool all the way up to warm. You can also enable the black and white mode of it, as it is in my case, if you'd like to read something, let's say, and set up some schedule for it to be enabled and disabled respectively. Next feature is located at the accessibility category of settings, so let me quickly enter it. So I guess it should be in the system settings probably. Yeah, I'm not sure where to look. Oh, here it is. So accessibility. In here, go for the vision section, magnification, and turn on the switch. After that, you'll get this little shortcut that you can use in order to zoom into things. Let's say you are scrolling or browsing through the web and has something tiny like text or a little image that you would like to see better or read better. So tap on this little shortcut. Once you see this orange frame, that means that it's active, then tap on the exact zone that you want to zoom into, and now you can zoom into even further or zoom out of it by doing this little shrink and swipe, and like so, basically. In order to exit it, just tap on the shortcut once again. There is also the second mode in which this shortcut works. So tap on the shortcut, tap on this little icon below the magnification icon, and now you get this little magnifying glass that you can move like so, and zoom into particular parts of the display rather than the entire screen. Inside it, you can also change the zoom scale and zoom into things with greater precision. Already. The next small tip is related to the battery. So as you can see right now, I'm not seeing the battery percentage at the status bar. I gotta open, in order to know exactly how much battery I have left, I gotta enter the battery category over here and see the percentage. If you would like to set this percentage to be visible at the status bar at all times, just enter the notification and status bar category of settings, then go for the status bar section, and in here simply switch on this little toggle, like so. Or if your battery style is horizontal, just choose whether you would like to see this battery percentage near the battery icon or inside it. So fifth and final tip is related to the system navigation. So you want to go to the system settings, system navigation section. In here there are two values to choose from. Up until now I've been using the gestures to navigate through the system and interface, but you can also set it to be digital buttons. That is a more, well, old school way of navigating through the phone. So if you're a fan of buttons, you can set it to be like so, like that I mean. You can also change the buttons layout, thus order, just like so. You can also switch it back to gestures, or switch it to gestures to begin with, and manage the options. For example, you can hide or show the gestures bar, vibrate or not vibrate on the back navigation gesture, switch to previous app, enable the switch to previous app gesture, enable or turn off the miss touch prevention, and undergo a gesture tutorial if you are not familiar with this type of system navigation. Alrighty, so that would be not only for the final tip, but for this video in general. Thank you so much for your attention. Thank you so much for watching, and bye bye.